Hello traders, before I get into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for the HTTP EA, also called How to Trade Pro EA. This is developed by Yuri Orlov, and it is an MT5 expert advisor based on what I can see here. So the EA is currently priced at 449 US dollars and it shows around 12 activations. The latest version is 1.6, updated in March 2026. Now, as I scroll through the description, the main positioning of this EA is very clear. It is designed as a professional adaptive trading system that avoids martingale and greed strategies completely. Instead, it focuses on structured risk and time management. Now, one of the key ideas being presented is that it doesn't rely on a single market condition. It is described as working across rising markets, falling markets, and sideways conditions. So the intention here is adaptability rather than prediction. Another important detail I notice is that the EA only uses pending orders. So instead of reacting after price moves, it places structured entries in advance, and every trade is opened with predefined stop loss and take profit levels. That immediately suggests controlled risk per trade from the beginning. That suggests controlled risk per trade from the beginning. It also mentions features like trailing stop, break even, emergency mode, and a graphical panel. So there is a clear focus on trade management once positions are active, not just entry logic. From the recommendations section, I can see it supports multiple assets, but each one comes with its own set file after purchase. Timeframes are between M5 and H4, as we can see here, and minimum deposit starts from $100 with leverage recommended from 1 to 25 and above. It also highlights that trades are limited to one position per instrument and all positions are closed daily. So there is a strong emphasis on controlled exposure and reset-based trading cycles. Now, I'm just going to switch into the strategy tester and run a historical backtest so we can observe how the HTTP EA behaves under real market conditions. So we are going to be testing the HTTP EA on Euro USD, and we are just going to be using a time frame of our choice. All right, so we'll just use the H1 time frame. We're running the test from the beginning of this year till date so that we can capture a notable market data for the back testing. And then for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. We are also using the every tick modeling. All right. So the test has been completed already. Looking at the charts now, what I am focusing on first is how the EA reacts across different phases of price movement, since the description emphasizes adaptability rather than a single fixed strategy. Okay, one of the things that I can also observe here is that the EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades at once, we can see that there are, notable spacing between trades. A buy trade was executed here and closed here, and then we had another trade here, although this one was a losing trade. And then we can see another trade here and another trade here. So there is some spacing between the trades. And we can also see that the EA is capturing short-term price movement. So when a trade is executed, it might just last for, some hours, and then the trade is closed. Okay. And so from what we can see on the chart, you know, the EA takes its time to look for opportunities in the market before executing the trade. So what I'm focused on first is how the EA is reacting across different phases of price movement, right? And from the historical behavior, trades appear structured and limited rather than frequent or scattered. The use of pending orders becomes noticeable in how entries are triggered at specific price levels instead of random market execution. And you can also observe how positions are managed with defined stop loss and take profits from the moment they are opened, which keeps each trade clearly structured in terms of risk. Okay, so as I move through the chart history, what stands out is how the EA avoids overexposure by keeping a disciplined approach. Only one trade per instrument, and daily closure of positions helps reduce long-term carry risk. Okay, so we're just going to move into the results right away. This is strictly historical backtest performance, and it is important to treat it as historical analysis only. Okay, it does not guarantee future outcomes, and like any system, performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and overall market conditions. So it is important not to rely only on backtest results when evaluating a system like this. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments before considering live deployment. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, we can see that the total net profit is 61,364.1, and there were 25 total trades taken, 13 short trades with a 61.54% win rate, 12 long trades with 33.33% win rate, and the largest profit was 23,310.36. Largest loss was 9,378.66. The average profit was 13,466.79, and the average loss 7,710.57. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. Okay, at least even though it's not exactly 1:2, but judging from the average profit and average loss, it's notable. The risk to reward ratio is okay, but the win rate is not good enough, right? The long trades especially is bad. The win rate for the long trades, judging from these results, but the short trades win rate is quite okay. But generally the win rate is not good enough, but it's manageable. Perhaps that is the reason why, when you combine the win rates and the risk to reward ratio, perhaps given a good combination, that is why, the results um, came out with over 61% total net profit. Okay, but remember that this is just historical backtest results, right? These are just historical backtest results, so they do not guarantee future performance. Overall, the HTTP presents itself as a disciplined, adaptive trading system focused on structured risk control, pending order execution, and consistent trade management rather than high frequency or aggressive strategies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.